Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do your own at-home photo shoot, because really, like, we paid to get pictures taken, but we can really do them ourselves. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So first you want to start off with, like, figure out what kind of photo shoot you want to do. Do you want to do like a whole body photo shoot, or do you want to do just like from the neck up, or just from the waist up? So I'm going to do from the waist up. So what you want to do if you're doing for the waist up is just make sure that you have on a nice top. You can choose whatever top you want. This is not the top I'm gonna wear. This is actually the top that I'm gonna wear, and this is actually a 3X. I got it from Goodwill, but I'm like, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna do like an off the shoulder or something. So I'm gonna put this on, and then we're gonna go from there. Alright, so this is how the shirt is looking so far. It's super big. I'm going to do another video on how I make it actually fit. But for like the neck, for like the hair up, this is what I'm going to do. I'll probably do like an off the shoulder look or something like that. But, so yeah, I'm just going to do a quick makeup look. Like, y'all know I'm not that good at makeup, but I can do my makeup. I have these lashes here that I got from Target. They were actually on sale. They were originally $10, but they were on sale for $5. So these are those. More than likely, I'm gonna go dramatic. I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna use those lashes. But anyways, I'm gonna be quiet and start doing my makeup.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications.
Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be using this 3-part lace wig. The name of this wig is Joycelyn. I have it in the color T4 Nova. Looks like the color, and it's a purple wig. I reviewed this wig before, but I haven't worn it since, so I decided to use it today. So I will list that video below.
Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright y'all, so I'm done with the glam part. Now it's time to get in front of the camera and take some pictures. Alright y'all, so today we're using the black backdrop. I have both of my lights. I'm just going to go ahead and turn them on, and then I'm going to have a seat right here, and I'm gonna put my phone on the camera stand. Now I'm using a iPhone 6 Plus, so you can use really any phone. If you don't have a backdrop, just use a sheet. If you don't have these big lights, just use a ring light or natural sunlight. It's completely up to you. First of all, let me just take a second to admire how good I did on this makeup and these lashes. Oh, child, this looks really, really nice. I love this wig. Why haven't I been wearing it, girl? Oh, look how it's gonna stand out on that black. We in there. All right, so as y'all can see, I'm behind my black backdrop, and what I'm gonna do is get the camera to where it only sees black. If I can't fit, all the black in, and you see still some white right there and right there, then I'll just like crop it out, and I'll show you guys how I crop it out and edit it on my iPhone. But for now, this is basically all you have to do to get ready to do your at-home photo shoot. I'm just gonna take some pictures, and I will show you guys how I edit the pictures as well.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright, y'all, so I showed you how to get ready for the photo shoot, how you can do a setup. Like I said, if you don't have all this light that I have, just get by a really nice window, get you a tripod, get you a background. It can be white, it can be black. I just decided to do black because I know when I edit it, these colors that I have on are going to pop. So that's why I decided to do the black background. However, you can do whatever background you want. So anyways, and I also showed you guys how to edit it. So this is going to be a very, very long video. I really hope that this helps somebody because everybody don't have the money to get like pictures taken. So this is the way that you can take pictures on your own. And really, like, my eyeshadow is okay, it's really not good, but the lashes is really what set the whole look off. So if you don't have something like colorful or something that you like to put on, just go with black or go with white. You can never go wrong with black or white. Solid colors, you can never go wrong. This I got from the Goodwill for $5. Girl, it was a win. I love this. Let me show y'all the shirt. And see, I'm sitting here with my sweatpants on. So yeah, so I showed you guys how to take the pictures, how to edit the pictures, and all of that. I hope this helps someone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you try this at-home photo shoot, if you do it and it turns out good, if it turns out bad. It doesn't matter. Tag me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia, and I'll talk to you guys later.